Hey, I'm sure y'all had sloppy joes before. You ain't never had one like mine. We fix to make a Cajun sloppy joe. And oh, it's gonna be fired up and it's gonna be good.
The bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.
All right, y'all ready to start? We're gonna get over here and brown this meat. Got some old ground beef right here. Throw it on this griddle. First, put a little oil down. You know it's sloppy joes, you know what you gotta have. You gotta have beef with this. Y'all, I've been eating sloppy joes a long time. My mama used to cook these. Wow. Flashback over 50 years ago. Probably longer than that, 55 years ago, my mama used to cook sloppy joes. They are good, and they're always good, and you can make them 100 different ways. But right now, we're gonna make it my way. We're gonna leave this sitting a few minutes cooking. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, this is looking good. My meat's just about done. We're fixing to get over here and we're gonna throw some of this holy trinity down. That ain't nothing but pepper, onions, little celery. Any Cajun that cooks anything just about gonna have this in it. This is the good stuff. All right, let's work on this sauce. First thing I wanna do first is throw a little seasoning down on here. I use a lot. I like a lot of seasoning. This Cajun seasoning is really good. We'll put a little garlic powder on here. Love that flavor. All right, we're gonna mix all this together, y'all. Watch this. Boom. Our beef mixture and onions is all good and cooked. Now let's make our sauce. All right, we're gonna start out with a little ketchup. Good bit of ketchup, huh? All right, y'all gotta have a little mustard. You know I like my mustard. Mustard is a good seasoning, really. We're gonna add some tomato paste, regular tomato paste, y'all. Watch this. Let's see. Sometimes it don't come out like I want it to. I like a good bit on there. Y'all know what's next? Worcestershire sauce. You gotta have your wicked sister sauce. Well, everything's been pretty traditional just now, but now we're going a little bit another step. Got to put our crystals on there. Crystal hot sauce. Put as much as you like, or as much as I like. I like a whole bottle. We're gonna mix this up, and then we're gonna toast our buns. Look at that. Oh-wee. I mean, it's kind of up to you what you want and how you want your sloppy joe. If you want it real sloppy, a lot more tomato sauce in it. It just all depends. It can go 100 different ways. All right, now we're fixing to throw down some buns over here. I'm gonna cut this on low. I'm gonna cut this off. We're done with that. We're gonna get some butter thrown down over here. Y'all know I love my butter. You don't have to use butter though. You can use whatever you want. You can use olive oil, whatever. It don't make no difference. Now we got these nice, big burger buns here. All right, we're gonna put that one there, put this one here. Notice I'm kind of sliding them around a little bit. Well, we got to pick up that butter. We don't want to be wasting none of that. All right, y'all, we're going to let this sit just a minute. It ain't going to take long. This toast be ready. These buns are ready, y'all. These buns are ready. I'm going to turn them over right here. Look at there, look at there. We'll get our mixture into this bowl right here. The reason I like to put it in this bowl like this, y'all, it's a lot easier to assemble everything. Now you can put as much as you want on there. I like to put a lot. Because what's the name? Sloppy Joe. Bruce likes to get sloppy with it. Watch this. Put a lot on here. I've had put cheese on them. You just do it your way. Is that pretty what? And it don't take, you see how fast that was. Don't take long at all on a Blackstone. All right, y'all, we got one more thing we're gonna put on here. French fried onions, y'all. It just makes it get a little crunch to it and something different. All right, y'all, just like that, it's done. You got a nice, good meal. Fun, fast, and simple, and good. Favorite part, you get to eat this. Look at there. Now this is a Cajun sloppy joe. Ooh, got a little fire on this one, y'all. Cajun, you got to put a little fire on it, a little hot, a little Tabasco sauce, a little crystal. I got crystal on this. I love crystal. Anyway, here's a, y'all, them little onion chips on the end. Give it a good little crunch. It's good, y'all. Y'all on a rainy day like this, cook this. It don't take long. 5, 10, 15 minutes, you done. It's cooked and you ready to eat. And they are good.